Metal hose is a flexible and surface-sturdy hose. It is mainly composed of bellows, net sleeve and joints. Its inner tube is a thin-walled stainless steel bellows, with spiral or annular waveform. And the outer net sleeve of the bellows is made of stainless steel wires or steel belts woven according to certain parameters. This hose is widely used in iron and steel, petroleum, chemical industry, electric power heat, transportation and other fields. Iron and steel industry. Metal hose is used in many parts of the blast furnace, such as the soft connection in the pipeline of the furnace roof discharge system, the soft connection of the gas conduit, the cold water pipeline of the blast furnace cooler, the ejector pipeline, and the blower air supply pipeline, etc. All of these parts are made of metal hose. Petroleum and chemical industry. In the petroleum system, metal hoses are used for flexible connections on oil pipelines, between oil fields and refineries and oil terminals, drilling platforms and bases, or supplemental supply sector of electricity, gas, water, oil and other submarine pipeline systems. Also use a large number of metal hoses. Electric power and heat industry. Used for thermal power station network and external network pipeline metal hose connection, but also for generator sets of vibration, eliminate noise, as well as fuel furnace nozzle piping system, hydroelectric power plant unit equipment piping system, dam construction of water, gas, electricity distribution system. Most of the industries choose to install metal hoses in order to ensure the safety of the system. Transportation industry. Metal hoses are used in the oil pipelines, cooling pipelines, and vibration reduction systems of various engines, in aircrafts, ships, and vehicles. Metal hose in the automobile industry has been widely used, such as fuel, heating, brakes, exhaust, muffler pipeline soft connection. Daily life appliances. Metal hose has been used in a large number of applications in daily life, such as home in the upper and lower water system, cooling water piping, and the import and export of gas appliances. These hoses are also commonly installed at the inlet and outlet of water used in hotels, homes, and so on. With an emphasis on advanced production techniques and a rigorous quality control system, we assure that our hoses not only meet but exceed expectations, demonstrating exceptional performance and reliability across varied working conditions.